Ladies and gentlemen, the Canadian dollar is facing some major problems. So we're not going to waste any time, we're going to have a look into the Canadian dollar and what's going on. So here we have Market's new COT feature. So we're going to filter it by currencies and take a look at what the positioning is telling us already. So here we have the Canadian dollar, market is bearish, the sentiment is bearish, but this is where it gets interesting. The long percentage has been decreased again from 14.51% to 13.99. Then we've got the short percent, which has been increased from 86% from 85.49, which is already, or was already at extremes. Net positioning is very low here with negative 105,000. And again, that's an increase, or actually a decrease on the previous from 93,000. And we can see the change is 12.82. We can also see a similar thing here with the British pound that we will go into in a future video. So if we click into the Canadian dollar, we'll be able to see a little bit more of what's going on. So we can see commercials are still buying the Canadian dollars. However, large speculators and small traders have been decreasing positions. Specifically, large speculators have essentially just been selling this whole time for the past sort of 12 months. And even more interestingly, we can see that open interest did start to creep up towards the end of 2024, but as soon as we hit 2025, we can see that open increase took a massive hit and is continuing to just move to the downside.